Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Gina, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to apply a snapshot in GoHighLevel using current SaaS setup flow. So, this is a continuation of part 1 where I showed how to create a snapshot. Just a quick clarification before we start. In the current GoHighLevel interface, snapshots are applied during sub account creation. So instead of installing a snapshot into an existing account, we create a new account and the snapshot is applied automatically. So first, we have to make sure that you are in agency view because the snapshots are managed at the agency level. And then from the agency dashboard, click on account snapshots. This is where all the snapshots you created are listed. So locate the snapshots you want to use. So in our case, we only have one sample snapshots. So to apply the snapshot, just click the plus icon on the right side. And this is to start the new sub account creation process with snapshot already included. So I'll just go ahead and fill in the sub account details. Alright, so I already now fill in the information for our test sub account. The next thing I would do is click on add sub account. Oh, I forgot to put in the zip code. Let's say 921 and then click on sub account. Alright, there you go. So GoHighLevel will now create a new sub account and apply the snapshot. So this may take few moments depending on the size of the snapshot. After the account is created, I'll open the sub account. Here I'll check the funnels, forms, and workflows from the snapshot were applied correctly. And by the way, just a reminder, the 3 dots menu is for managing snapshots. Applying snapshot is done by clicking the plus icon and creating a new account. So let me just go to sub account. And here, as you can see, you can just go ahead and edit this sample sub account that we created by clicking the 3 dots and then manage a sub account. So you can name it sample coaching agency and then just click save. All right. So you can go check it here that there's already a sub account created. Click on that and let's quickly check at least for example sites and then forms. Okay, there you go. As you can see, there's already a funnel here on the sub account that we created. So yeah, that's the full walkthrough on how to apply a snapshots in GoHighLevel using the updated SaaS flow. Thank you for watching.